Hi, this is Lisa with Inspired to Thrive. Today I wanted to show you how to update an old blog post and have it show up on the front page of the site. The best thing about it is when you update this old content, it helps your blog's SEO. So as you can see, there are 456 posts here, published 453. So I go to the very end and see what is the oldest posts. And those are usually the ones that I would update. So I hit edit. I like using the classic editor instead of block. You can use either one. And once you hit the edit button, you can change the headline. I would not change the permalink because you would have to do a redirect, which could hurt SEO. But it can be done if you really need to. So just a heads up on that. You can see in the old days I used to do update, write it on the blog itself. And I would update some of the graphics. This one had been updated. It's not too bad, but you can see there's also some typos. Now that I have Grammarly, it's there. So I would do some changes on it, and then you go here to hit the edit button. And I'm going to make this one, it's still going to be April, let's say the 20th. We're going to update this on the 20th of April, 2021, and I'm going to do that at say 6:46 a.m. Hit the OK button, and then you're going to see the schedule. You click schedule, and that would schedule the post for you automatically once you have all your changes. I'm going to go back in and make changes before this actually goes out. I would also make sure that you can send the push notification on the update, because if you're using the push engage, something I love having on the blog, it only does it automatically for new posts. But when you update, if you push the little button there, you'll be in good shape. And don't forget to clear the cache after as well. So this is scheduled for, this should actually show that it's scheduled, not update. But here it's got schedule. I'm going to take you to another place to go to all the posts so you can see what is scheduled there or not. Yep, here you can see it. Scheduled. I got 3 scheduled going out. And it tells you the date and the time on them. So that's the best way to update your old content, because it'll show back on the front page. If you just do update without that scheduling with a date, it'll just be updated and it'll remain on your site, and people have to search for it. But this would take you right to the top. It would also, if you use the push engage, that would come out as well when the new post comes out, updated post. And you can see it's got last updated. You can see all the last updated. All my posts now have that, whether or not they're updated or they're new. So you can tell exactly the date that these were done. So I hope this has been helpful. It's a great way to help the SEO for your blog by updating that old content. And always, I look up here, this is available through Yoast Premium. It shows if you have orphan content when there's no links to a particular post. If your cornerstone content is stale, it will let you know which ones. And it shows you what is scheduled. All versus mine, I have a lot of contributors, so some of those may be contributor posts. So that's how you would do the updates. And again, if you have any questions, drop a comment on the video, and I hope this helps with the SEO for your blog by keeping your blog posts up to date. Thank you.